Good morning.
Looks like you made some coffee.
I did. Would you like some?
I love a cup.
Hey.
Hey!
All right, so today we are logging our yard.
Logging, clearing out brush, making a pyre fit.
A pyre fit?
Yeah, pyre fit.
All right, is that anything like a fire pit?
Yeah, it's just our own unique brand.
Oh, it is a pyre fit. Okay, so we bought this house from some people who were only here like once every 2 years, and the yard just got totally overgrown. It's full of wood.
Really overgrown.
Prickle bushes, all sorts of stuff. So we are reclaiming the yard.
Reclaiming the yard, and there's also a little stream that runs through. Sometimes it's dry, but lately it's been wet, and we want to make it a place that we can enjoy.
Absolutely. Awesome. So here we go.
All right.
All right, so I have a ton of trees and stuff that we've already taken down, and then we've got some other fallen trees over here that I'm gonna cut up smaller, take the brush and throw it into our little fire, which will get bigger, but then take some of these bigger things down to the truck so I could take them up and cut them with the sawbuck. Timber!
Doesn't seem to want to go any further.
Go ahead.
Biggest tree I ever cut.
Look at all the leaves falling. Good deal. What's that, 5 trees?
Yeah, 5 trees, two a little bigger, 2 out of my comfort zone, but the other 3 weren't bad.
All right.
Now I've even gotten out of my comfort zone.
Okay, there you go.
That's a good spot to lay down. Go ahead, lay down. Good boy.
Oh, that one's full of sap still.
Oh yeah, is it wet?
Heavy. It's okay, Odin. You're a good boy.
Letting you wild side out today? Huh? What are you doing? Hi, kitty. Yeah, I know. Going up and down this mountain 30 times or more today. My body's feeling it.
Yeah. My legs are feeling it, my butt's feeling it, my upper body from moving all this wood.
Same, yeah.
But should give us a little bit of wood to burn for a while.
Awesome. I am pooped, but I just pushed all the sticks and everything that were on the outside of the fire in, so now it's going pretty good again. He's way down there, still filling the truck. I don't know if you can see him, but through the trees, down the bottom of the slope. Stop! It's been a long day, but a rewarding day being outside.
Oh yeah, well, got a ton of wood. That's gonna probably get us through at least 3 weeks of burning, and but I gotta get cutting.
All right.